Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to install a OneSimCard eSIM on your Android phone. The first step is to log into your OneSimCard online account. You should be taken to the Recharge menu. If not, make sure you're on the Recharge menu by clicking the Recharge tab at the top of the screen. Next, make sure the eSIM you want to install is chosen in the drop-down menu of available SIMs on your account. Click on the View QR code link. This will display a pop-up which will ask you that you agree if you view the QR code. The cost of the eSIM cannot be refunded. Click that you agree. Then click the View QR code button. Your QR code will be displayed along with a barcode. Make sure you have internet access on your phone, either Wi-Fi or cellular data. Enable the camera on your phone and scan the QR code. This will display a prompt on your phone, saying to add this plan to connect to a new mobile network. Click this phrase. A new screen will appear on your phone asking if you want to add BIC's eSIM. Click Add. The eSIM will begin to download and a progress meter will be displayed. When the eSIM is fully installed, you will see the SIM Manager screen on your phone with the newly installed eSIM listed. If you are ready to use it, make sure the toggle is enabled and then go to the Primary SIM section and choose the eSIM as the primary SIM. Success! You are now using your newly installed eSIM for mobile data connectivity. Also, make sure to download the OneSimCard eSIM app from the Google Play Store. After you load the eSIM app on your device, simply use the same login credentials you use for your OneSimCard online account. All of your purchased OneSimCard eSIMs and plans will be loaded into the app. The eSIM app is an easy way to track your data consumption and order new data plans. You can even purchase additional eSIMs directly through the eSIM app. This is also a good time to download the OneSIM VoIP app so you can take advantage of our low-cost, simple-to-use voice and SMS service. If you are having any problems connecting, go to your phone settings. Click on Connections. Click on Mobile Networks. Make sure that mobile data is enabled and that international roaming is enabled. If you are still having trouble connecting, please contact our support team by clicking Help on your OneSimCard online account and scroll down to Customer Service and click the link that says Send an email / create a customer support ticket. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next one.